this is Terry Miller from Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. We're going to show you today a little bit of our BrewTrek items. These are products made in Montana. They're French presses. Very durable, all stainless steel, 48 ounce, 32 ounce, and a 20 ounce. Peggy's going to show you exactly how to open and close them, what it entails to make your French press coffee.
Right, so now you've already received your French press, and I want to explain to you how to properly open your French press when you receive it. This will also work on the Base Camp 32 ounce and the Base Camp 48 ounce. Back to the steel toe, this is the 20 ounce. When you receive it, everything will be locked in position. If you unscrew the top lid, there'll be a paperwork inside. Go ahead and pull that out, and we'll discuss all the instructions in this video. The paper at the bottom, and there'll be instructions on how to properly use your French press drinking mug. Rough ratios, how it works. In the meantime, I'd like to show people this is not a traditional French press mug. You have your screen on the bottom, and on the top is a patent design called the BrewStopper. This also unscrews from the stem. Just make sure that it's recessed down in those little fan blades right there, and lightly screw that back on. Don't go too tight. Remember, it's a piece of metal into a plastic. Okay, once you take the lid off, unscrew the lid, you have your screen, your BrewStopper, and a locking lid. I like to show people the proper way to unlock the lid. I take my finger, put it right here, and my thumb on the bottom of the lip. Make sure you're pulling opposite, perpendicular from the lid. I'm pulling out. I slide my thumb down and lift it open. It has 3 points of contact to lock the lid. We heard people opening it from the first time trying to pull up, and that's not gonna happen. You wanna pull out that direction, out, and then lift up. We find out that people will break this, so try to be careful. Make sure you have this vented when you do start this process. You'll want to take coarse ground coffee, put it in the double wall stainless steel. Go ahead and preheat your water to at least 205. If not, go to boiling, let it sit for 35-45 seconds. And then pour the water over top the coarse ground coffee. Go ahead and make sure this is vented, stems up, screw this on. Meantime, wait 4 minutes. You're going to press this down. As you're pressing down, if you find some restraint, just pull up. It may not look like it's pulling up, but it is. And go ahead and press this down all the way. Flip it over, and you're ready to drink. Enjoy.
So if you're interested in buying one of these products from our store, just check out More Than Coffee in our online navigation.